Um, Ever wondered what happens when a brilliant apothecary gets entangled in palace intrigue? And the world of is about to expand in a huge way. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Fans are all already buzzing about the upcoming season 3 and a brand new feature film, and then all of the time it would be 14. And so everything for year, whatever becomes in, making the model season free into 2 parts and transaction. The film arrives in Japanese theaters this December with international dates still to come. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Like a recipe book based on the delicacies featured in the series is hitting shelves on May 13th, 2026. It's already sold out from pre-orders alone. The cover features a charming illustration of Mao Mao and Jinchi, supervised by the novel's author, Natsu Huga. The book boasts 23 recipes, including Mao Mao's famous chocolate love potions. 6 original short stories are also included, each tied to a new culinary creation. Talk about a delicious combination. Um, what can we expect from season 3? The story continues with Mao Mao solving mysteries across the kingdom, all while Jinchi seeks her help. The first part will adapt the 5th volume, taking them to the northern farming villages that will generate. Um, expect a deepening connection between Mao Mao and Jinchi. Jinchi is finally free to be himself, and the palace power dynamics are shifting with the birth of Gyokuyu's son. The secrets surrounding Jinchi's birth will also come to light. Correct. Season 2 saw a major leap in Mao Mao and Jinchi's relationship. Incorporate. Mao Mao discovered Jinchi's true identity as the Moon Prince. Kazuo Getsu, he had been living as an eunuch to avoid palace politics, but her kidnapping forced him to act together after defeating the Shi clan. Jinchi embraced his royal duties. Mao Mao left the palace, finding work as an apothecary at the very house, while her adoptive father became the rear palace physician. Despite the separation, Jinchi continued to make time for her. If you're craving more, seasons 1 and 2 are available on Crunchyroll. So why did the apothecary break up with the chemist? Because they had no chemistry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.